Hi there, I'm Sydney Brown, and I have created the best resource out there if you are wanting to write a personal memoir. It's called the Memoir Mastery, a step-by-step guide to writing your memoir. All right, let's get right into it. So this is, like I said, it's a course here on YouTube, and it is called Memoir Mastery, a step-by-step guide to writing your life story. And the first section is Introduction to Memoir Writing. And of course, the most logical way to start is just to get a foundation. You know, what is a memoir? Okay, so a memoir it's a funny little genre. It's like a biography, but with more feelings and fewer footnotes. You know, at its core, a memoir is a nonfiction book that tells the story of someone's life experiences. It's kind of like taking a walk in someone else's shoes, but you don't have to have the blisters. Memoirs are all about emotions. They're about the highs and lows of life, the joys and the sorrows, the love, and the heartbreak. You know, they're kind of like being on a roller coaster ride through someone's life, complete with the twists and turns, the ups and downs, and of course, you know, the occasional loop-de-loop. But here's the thing about memoirs. They're not just one person's life. They're about the human experience as a whole and about what it means to be alive in this crazy world. You know, it's a memoir basically is there to remind us that we're all in this together, that we all have our struggles and our triumphs, and that our stories are worth sharing with each other. So memoirs can be absolutely hilarious, like David Sedaris's Me Talk Pretty One Day, which recounts his adventures of learning French while living in Paris. They can be heartbreaking, like Joan Didion's The Year of Magical Thinking, which tells the story of her grief after her husband's sudden death. Or they can be inspiring, like Michelle Obama's Becoming, which details her journey from a working class family on the south side of Chicago to becoming the First Lady of the United States. But no matter what the subject, memoirs are about honesty. They're all about telling the truth, even if it's uncomfortable or embarrassing. You know, memoirs are not about sugarcoating the past, but facing it head on and learning from it. So if you're thinking about writing a memoir, I say go for it. It's a chance to share your story with the world, to connect with others who may be going through some similar experiences, and just to kind of reflect on what it means to be alive. You know, just remember, be honest, be brave, and to have some fun along the way. Let's go.